This is a 517 Marquette ramp. We're gonna wait for Andrew to start.
517 Marquette ramp, Otis Series 1. Wow, people are really gonna watch this.
It's gonna be. Oh, they're glass.
These are glass, these are nice. I'm glad we came here.
Oh, cool. Look at this.
Set it to V3. Watch the numbers going down. They're going up to 8. This is 11 stories. Send it up to 8. Now let's watch out the window. Close it. There it goes. Here's our friend, Mr. Security. Here we go.
See, there's a view out here.
So Scenic always sees the cars.
Want to see if there's a view?
Not really.
Not really. Not really. That
Let's
works.
go down to, what's the skyway level?
2.
Oh, it is. Watch this. Down we go into the abyss.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
I think I've seen a video of these before
From where?
on the internet already.
There it goes.
I'll be it.